Changing the air filter in my Apache Artur 160 BS4 2017. First, removing the seat. Next, I'll remove the left side panel. This will expose the air filter. Now, I'll unscrew these 4 screws that hold the air filter in place. Now remove the air filter carefully, take a look at it and clean or replace it if needed. Also check if there's any oil in the filter box and clean it out. And now, with the new air filter in place, I'll reassemble everything in reverse order. Thank you.